Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget, and for today's video I am going to be showing you some of the things that I will be having as far as entertaining my family and friends for the holidays. And I hope that you will stick around to see everything that I will show you, and I will be right back. Okay, to start this video off, the first thing that I am going to show you is that for entertaining for your family and friends, you want everything to look really nice and to look like you put a lot of hard work into setting everything up for your family and friends. Now, I am in my kitchen, as you can see. Now, the first thing that I want to show you is that you did see this in my one of my videos, I can't remember which one, that I showed you how I went to Walmart and I bought these plants. I bought 3 of them, a bundle, for $5, and it cost me $15. This is something that you can definitely have to sit in the middle of your counter around your food. So that way you can, so that way it can look very festive for your family and friends. The next thing that I want to show you is that I made this right here. Well, I didn't make the vase, but I got this vase from Burlington, and I went to Michael's on yesterday and I purchased this these flowers right here. These peonies, but these are cream colored looking, and what I did was I stuck the leaves at the top, okay, to give me the height if you want a more dramatic look. Now with the peonies, they do have the pink running through the flowers, and what I did was I just made sure to pull the flowers out, so that, I mean the leaves out, so that way it can look a little bit more full. And I did choose a silver vase, and these flowers, right, the leaves were $4.99 and the flowers were $5.99. Now I had a coupon for these flowers from Michael's, and it helped me out a great deal in getting more, being able to purchase more flowers and more leaves because of the coupon that I got from Michael's. Now let me move this to the side. Now I know you can see everything behind me, and I did put it on the stove because I didn't want it on the counter because I have a lot of stuff. Now I'm going to start with the bowl. This is a bowl. Let me see if I can see. It doesn't tell me where I got it from. With this bowl right here, I love the lifted lips that are on the 4 corners of the bowl. Perfect for serving if whatever you choose that you want to serve, like salad. If you want to put, since I am from the South, I would put what do you call it? I cannot believe my mind just went blank. You can put potato salad in here. You can put whatever that you serve during the holidays in this bowl. And I do have my door open, so you may hear some noise. The next thing that I got is this bowl as well. Let me see. It doesn't tell me where I got it from. What I like about this bowl is the design of the bowls, and as you can see, I love to present food in bowls that look different. Now, if I'm correct, it may have come from Home Goods or the At Home store or TJ Maxx, okay? And let me move on. I hate that when filming. I have my door open to make sure that my light is bright enough. The next thing that I have is all these are bowls for serving. This is another bowl that I have. This is the big one. This is the small one. I like the fact that I can easily lift it because of the cutouts on each end of the bowls. As you can see, both of them have the cutouts. Okay. And let me move on to my next. Now this little bowl right here, I can't remember what I used to put in here, but I know I used to use it either for, let me show you. Okay. All right. Right here, I have in front of you some square plates. Okay. What I love about these plates right here, there are a numerous things that I can do with these plates. Okay. Now, what I can do with this plate, I can serve dessert on this plate. I can serve ice cream and pie on this plate. If I want to serve more than 3 sweets, I can do that on here. I can also put brownies, hot fudge in here, also ice cream in here if I want to. I can also put some kind of sweet sauce in there to pour over the ice cream if I want to, like caramel. If there's not enough in here, I can add more. And this is what I use this for as well. And just put everything like this, okay? And you can put your desserts right here, so that way when you serve it, each person would have their own individual plates, and they are able to, if you want to put nuts in here, you can put nuts in here. Whatever you would like to put in here. And I love these little small cups because they're perfect for, you know, samples. If you want to serve, if you have a lot of people and you're trying to stretch your food, that's what I love about these plates right here. Now you can also just serve food on these plates if you want to. Okay, but with these plates over here, I do have regular plates, and I didn't bring those out because I have so much out. Like I said, you can, like I said, set it up to where you are accompanying your guests, family, and friends to where they can have their dessert right here. And whatever else that you prefer that you would like to put in here, you most definitely can. Or if you want to, if you have an espresso maker, you can also put something, just drop. You can also make a small cup. I love lattes a lot. And you can also use that for a latte or espresso if you want to. Okay, and let me move on. Now, what I really liked it about these little cake plates right here is that you can put cupcakes on here if you want to. You can use it to give you height when you are serving something, or if you want to, and I did not bring it upstairs, you can sit a pumpkin on top of this if you want to use it as decor. And this one right here, of course, it is pink. You can also put some appetizers on here if you want to. Now, what I liked about this one, it has the pink and it has the gold that is in circles that is on this cake plate. And I can't remember where I got these from. I just know that I've had them for a while, and I do use them. I even sometimes put a little bit of parchment paper on the bottom of this, if I, you know, depending on the mood that I'm in or how I feel. Now, the next thing that I have is, okay, okay, this is a serving platter right here. Now, during the holidays, okay, I don't eat meat as much during the year, but during the holidays, I know my daughters and my son, my children, they do eat meat, and I do eat meat, you know, a lot, especially during the holidays, but just not during the year. I like to have a serving platter this size where I can cut up my meat and put it on here and, you know, serve it to my family and friends. Okay, also I have, let me me show you. Okay, this is big. Okay, I also have other platters that you can use for serving. You can use this one for bread, okay, for your family and friends. You can cut up some bread on that one. These right here I know came from Kohl's, okay, because these were a gift from my mother-in-law. And like I said, you can use this one for bread if you want to. This one right here, I love the unique shape of this platter right here. And okay, and I also have these two platters right here that you can also use for serving. Now with this one right here, what you can do is whatever you do decide to serve in this, even if you decide to cut up cake and you want to layer the cake, you can take whatever sauce that you prefer, maybe chocolate, drizzle it across the cake, or you can just bring it around the plate as well, because you want your presentation to be wowed when you bring it to the table. So that's the reason why I have a lot of unique different designs and in my bowls, in my serving platters, because when I bring it to the table, I just want that, where did you get that from? And wow. The next thing that I have to show you is this right here. And I just love this this cooking dish right here, and I think you can put this in the oven, I'm not sure. This is what I use to serve my macaroni and cheese in, okay? What I do is I make a huge big pan of macaroni and cheese, and what I'll do is I will scoop it into this right here and then place it on the counter. What I basically do with my serving platters is, once I'm finished cooking, wash all my pots and pans if I can, and you know, I do that the night before, so the next day when I get up, all I have to do is just reheat everything up, depending on if I can get everything cooked the night before, and just pull out all of my serving dishes and just set everything up, you know. And once dinner is over, then what I'll do is I'll take these plates right here, and I do have more of them. It's just that I didn't want to bring everything out. So this is what I have right here for the little children, if you want to. And I just got these for my grandkids. I got these from Macy's, and these are by Lennox, and I do have more. I'm just only showing you, and I just got these this year. If you want to, how you say, I don't like to give kids too much sweets, so that is the reason why I do have smaller bowls for them, or even for me, if you're watching what you do decide to eat. And let me put that right there. Basically, I think that's it, besides this big bowl right here, but I'm not going to show you that, because you see that right there. Like I said, I have to serve a big amount of food for my children and for my family. And because my son, he's like 6, maybe 5'9", and my grandson as well, they can eat, okay? So, like I said, I love white, and the reason why I love white is because it gives me a crisp look. It makes my food look good, and that's just me personally. That's just what I like, okay? And I just wanted to show this right here. Now, I am going to bring you another video on my wine glasses, but I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna break it up, okay? I'm gonna do this one today my wine glasses tomorrow, and I'm not sure what else. So it may be it may be a video for the next 3 days. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what I have. Now, really quickly before I do end this video, a lot of you have noticed that I have reached 1,000 subscribers, and I am so overjoyed and so happy about that. But I wanted to make sure that I give a special thanks to 2 women. The first one, Lori, it's Lori's Life. She did a video on her channel, a makeup video, where she did a look for me that I'm going to try to have my daughter to recreate. And it was so sweet of her because she was really encouraging, you know, everyone to watch my videos and my content of my videos. And I really have to thank Lori because of the makeup look that she did on her video, because of her mentioning me in her live stream. That was a blessing. And do me a favor, okay, please go over to Lori's channel. I am going to link Lori's channel in my description box. Please go over and show her some love and tell her, let her know that I sent you over to her channel. And she is just as sweet as she does makeup hauls, she does makeup tutorials, and videos. Right now she's doing the 31 days of October. So please go over and watch her videos. And like I said, I am going to list her name in the in my title as well, and in the description box below. Another YouTuber that I would really love to thank, and that's Keeping It Simple with Bridget. And I'm also going to link her channel in my description box as well. Bridget does makeup hauls, makeup looks. Both of these women do makeup. Okay, I can't touch what neither one of them do, okay, because they are awesome, okay. And please go over to Keeping It Simple with Bridget. Because of them, I was able to reach my 1,000 subscribers, and I cannot show them enough love and enough thank yous to thank them for what they did for me and my channel. Please go over to both of their channels and let them know that I did send you over there, please. Okay, but I'm trying not to ruin my makeup and try not to, you know, because it was really emotional to reach 1,000 subscribers. But like I said, remember flowers, okay, for your family and friends. Like I said, when you serve your food, you want to make sure that, you know, you're giving them that wow factor, you know, and everything looks beautiful when they walk through the door. Okay, let me go ahead and end this video. Again, my name is Diamond76, home decor on a budget. And you will see this shirt again, okay, because I'm not going to change. I'm going to try to do everything at once. Always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And if you want to join me on my Instagram channel at Diamond2872. I would be happy to have you on my Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video.